This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming account security. Enable two-step verification so adding payment methods is allowed. Once done, sign into your Google account in a supported browser. Make sure you have your card number, expiry, and CVV or bank details at hand to speed the process. Open Wallet. Google.com, click Add a Payment Method and choose Card or Bank. This avoids interruptions. It's faster than pausing mid-setup and helps Google verify ownership immediately. Enter the card number, expiry date, and CVV carefully. Small typos cause delays. After submission, Google usually verifies with an SMS, email, or a temporary authorization charge. Check your bank app or messages. If a hold appears, note the 3-6-digit code in your transaction details and enter it if prompted. Once verified, name the card and confirm the billing address matches bank records. This prevents declines when you use Google Wallet online. At checkout, pick Google Pay and select the card you added. Confirm the payment and complete the purchase. Make sure browser autofill and payment settings allow Google Wallet to populate fields quickly. This reduces errors. If a payment fails, first clear your browser cache and reload the site, then re-verify the card in Wallet. If problems persist, contact your bank about online merchant blocks or temporary holds. Most issues stem from bank-side authorization rather than Wallet itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.